Hey everybody, the Poets here. Hope you're doing well and staying safe. This is a very quick video about protecting your PC. A lot of people are buying pre-built PCs, hence my Should You Buy a Pre-Built PC in 2021 series that's going on YouTube and TikTok and Twitter and all that stuff. So follow me on all the things. But this video is about this. I got an uninterrupted power supply unit for this. Can you see it? There we go. This thing is tall. It's the Omen 30L. So HP sent me this review unit. And I'm like, oh my God, I don't have it plugged into an uninterrupted power supply unit. I live in LA, so electricity is weird in LA. We might have an earthquake. We might have a lightning strike. We might just have electricity just being electricity. You just never know. And therefore, because this is kind of an expensive setup, this 30L right here, because it has a 10900K and an RTX 3080, which able to get because it's a pre-built. Good luck finding these if you want to buy them individually. This costs $3,099 on Amazon right now. This monitor, very nice monitor, costs about $450 to $500, so check the links below for pricing. The point is, that's a lot of money. The second point is, if these go down, that's a lot of time in terms of replacing these. So an uninterrupted power supply unit that you see here, this one in particular is by APC. This goes up to 810 watts. So one thing that you have to think about is how much wattage do you actually need to protect. If the RTX 3080 is doing, let's say 320 watts and the 10900K over here is doing about 300 watts on full load, that's a lot of wattage, not including anything else plugged into this. So this 810 watt uninterrupted power supply unit should do me just enough, all right? So let's get into it. Just gonna unbox it, plug it in. It's really simple, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Now let's take a look at the back side of this unit. In the top right, you'll see a data port. Well, it will communicate with your PC. Over here is a battery and surge section, and then this whole right side is just the surge section. So the battery and surge is on the whole left side, so pay attention to that. So that's pretty much that. The last step is just to install the software, and you can grab that from whatever manufacturer website for UPS that you actually buy. And it just tells the PC, hey, we have no power, the battery is running low, it's time to safely shut down, so that all your work is protected and your PC doesn't shut down abruptly. So it's a nice, simple process. I love these. I've been using them for years. APC is one of my favorite brands, but there's plenty of others that have some great quality as well. Just make sure that you have a large enough uninterrupted power supply unit to supply all the needs of the hardware inside of your PC, as well as like your monitor, printer, and any other peripherals that you may want to plug into it. Mainly plug the ones in that you want if the power goes out, because you don't want unnecessary things to drain the power of your UPS unit. So that's about it. Let me know if you guys have questions. Hit me up on Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, all that good stuff, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.